What's up, guys? It is your boy Bernardo from the BTN HD, and yes, SCCM 1806, which I showed you guys how to upgrade your SCCM to 1806, and it's all about the new features. And one of the cool features that I've been testing out within my lab is PXE without WDS. Now, WDS is all about Windows Deployment Services, which is something that you have to install if you want to PXE within your environment. Now, with 1806, you don't need WDS. You could use a Windows 7, a Windows 8, or a Windows 10 machine. You don't need a server. This is why 1806 is so cool. You don't need a physical server. You could use an actual Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10 machine. That means you could create like a small little virtual machine with one of these operating systems and install the PXE role into these machines, and that machine will act as a PXE client. How awesome is that? So how can you enable it within your environment? So first thing you need to do is open up your console, go inside administration. Within administration, you want to go to overview, expand your site configuration folder. You want to click on servers and site system roles. And what you want to do is you're going to see all your site system roles right here. And the one that you want is your DP, the distribution point. So right click on it, go to properties. And within properties, you want to go inside the PXE tab. And if your 1806 deployment was successful, you should see this option right here. It's disabled by default. Okay, so you have to go in and enable it. Now, before you check this off, I want to show you guys. If you go inside your services application, you're going to see Windows Deployment Services server running, right? Because I'm using PXE. This is the reason why my WDS is running. When you enable this option within your SCCM console, this service is going to stop, and an additional service is going to create itself and start running. Okay, so let's go back, enable it. You're going to get this nice little warning, read it, make sure this is what you guys want, right? I clicked yes because that's what I want. Apply it and okay. Now go back inside your services and you're going to see that your Windows Deployment Services has stopped. The status is no more. But if you take a look around, you're going to see a new service, and it's called the Config Manager PXE Responser Service. And it's running. That is your new WDS. You can also check within your Windows Deployment Service application. You're going to see that it is stopped. From here, that's it. That is how you enable your SCCM environment to PXE without WDS. I think the next thing that I need to do is create a virtual machine within my environment, like a Windows 7 or Windows 10, and from there establish the WDS role to that machine so that could act as that client for my machines within my environment to PXE into. So that's awesome. Eventually, I'm going to get working on that, and I will push out a video for you guys for that. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave comments right below. Don't forget about hitting that like button, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.